In this video, we are going to learn how to solve these JAMB commerce problems under S2 So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic types of banking, and we have about 8 to 9 questions to practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, which of the following is a developmental bank in Nigeria? We have First Bank PLC, Federal Mortgage Bank, First City Monument Bank, Union Bank PLC. The right answer is option B, Federal Mortgage Bank. Very important. Next question is one. It says, which of the following is not a characteristic of a commercial bank established to issue banknotes, established with a view of making profit, established as limited liability company, established by individuals or organizations? So guys, the answer to this question is that commercial banks are not established to issue banknotes. Option A is the right answer to this question. So established to issue banknotes, so this is not a function of commercial banks. The next question is one. It says the central bank differs from commercial bank because it discounts bills, carries out foreign exchange transactions, renders services to customer, issues currency. Right answer is option D, issues currencies. Next question is one. Say the most important difference between community banks and people's bank is that the latter advances loans to the public, while former advances loans to the rural dwellers only. Latter is allowed solely by the government, while the former are not. Former caters for rural dwellers, while the latter caters for both rural and urban dwellers. Former are service oriented, while the latter are profit oriented. The right answer is option B, former, which is People's Bank, is owned solely by the government, while the former are not. That's the community bank. Okay, the next question is one. It says First Bank of Nigeria is an example of commercial bank. Very simple. Option B. Next question is one. Say the bank which acts as the lender of last resort is the central bank. Option A. Taking to this question, guys. Next question is one. It says a check drawn by a bank official on the bank's deposit in another bank of a customer's instruction is known as traveler's check, promissory note, bank draft, banker's order. The right answer is option C, bank draft. Next question is one. Says a check which a bank draws on its own fund is a warehouse check, bank draft, bank check, cashier's check. So the right answer is option D, cashier's check. Okay, last question for end this video. This one says the difference between the central bank and commercial bank is that the former, which is the central bank, serves as a lender of last resort, discount treasury bills, saves valuable of individual, gives loan to public. The right answer is option A. The central bank serves as lender of last resort. So guys, this is basically I can deal with problems involving types of banking in S2 trade for your JAMB commerce. We practice with about 8 to 9 questions for this subtopic. Hope you learned something interesting in the video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of this video. Just like, share and comment to this video. May I feel for what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific questions to ask regarding things I've talked about in the video, feel free to leave a question in the comment section below, and I'll ensure to give you a response. Also ensure the part of the channel membership by clicking join button, getting premium information and help you to excel in your exams like the JAMB and other exams you'll be writing. Okay, so having done this, click on the screen above and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.